with the great sadness that this is the last time I'm closing the doors for a little while. The Specialist Cars showroom is now closed. You can still buy online. And I've taken the decision on the garage side, the Harris Motor Company, to make sure everybody is safe. You know, all our staff, all the customers. We could carry on opening because officially a garage is allowed to, but I really cannot risk my colleagues and my friends' lives and put them in any danger, you know, and also the customers. So it is with great sadness, but you know, this is how it's got to be. We've all got to make sure we have social distancing. So my advice is, guys, you know, we need to act on this before it gets any worse. You know, it's bad as it is, isn't it? You know, as we all know, it's getting worse by the minute. We need to listen to the government, follow their instructions, and simply just keep away and keep safe. You know, we all want to get out there. We're all going to get bored. We all want other stuff to do. But in reality, it's not an option anymore, is it? You know, we've got to make sure we stay safe and healthy. You know, whatever age we are, we've just got to make sure we're all there. The other thing which I'm going to say is it's going to be a lonely place for a lot of people, isn't it, really? You know, we can't socialise anymore. However, we've got technology. We've got great technology. So we can still meet, we can still have a pint, we can still have a meal virtually, can't we? We still can. You know, ring your mates up, do FaceTime, have a pint, have a curry, whatever you're going to do. Just make sure, you know, it's not physical. Keep your distance, stay motivated. It's got to be a tough challenge for all of us, it really is. So all I can say is, I wish you all well. Please stay safe, and as soon as we get the all clear, we'll be rocking and rolling and ready in business to look after you and help you buying, selling cars, repairing, servicing, tyres, MOTs, whatever it may be. I just want to thank everybody for your fantastic loyal support all the way through. We're here for the long term, so stay safe, and I'll speak to you all soon.